In this video, I'm talking about this really simple but really awesome tip that you can do on set to help to add character and movement to your music videos. So let's get right into the video. So capture this. You're shooting a music video, you've got this really awesome trap beat and you've put the camera on the tripod. You've got this really awesome performance happening in front of the camera. You've got this amazing light setup, but your camera is just stagnant. It's sat on the tripod. It's not really doing much. It's kind of ruining the vibe of the music video shoot. So what can you do? Well, for a first, you can take the camera off the tripod. If you're shooting a high energy music video shoot, you don't have to have every performance on the tripod. Don't be afraid to move around a little bit. But there's also one really important thing that you can do that's going to help to connect the video to the audio, and that is to listen to the music and recreate the music with the camera. Now, let me explain. Now, the really great thing with music videos versus something like a corporate video or a feature film or a short film is you have more freedom and more flexibility to be playful with the camera. So this means you don't have to have a really beautiful, smooth tracking shot in every single shot. You don't have to have a tripod shot. You can be a bit more aggressive and a bit more playful with the camera. So what I like to do for a music video is before I get onto the shoot, I like to listen to the music. And when you're listening to the song, it's really important to pay close attention to the energy of the track and try to come up with your own camera choreography for the shoot day. So let's say you're shooting something upbeat, for example. Rather than shooting a performance on a tripod, that would look like this.
I wake up, flex, I'm down that check, no drip this, tell them run it on.
Instead, you could listen to the track, and when there's a beat, you can maybe glitch the camera. So on a beat, you can twitch the camera to the right, to the left. You could do a dip down, dip up, dip from right to left. It's completely up to you. Adding these little dips are going to help to connect the audio to the video, and it's going to add some really awesome playful moments.
I wake up, flex, I'm down that check, no drip this, tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it on.
Of course though, you don't just have to limit the camera movement to these little dips every now and then. If the music asks for it, you could do an aggressive pull from left to right. You could push forward, pull backwards. You could do tilts, rolls. Just be really playful with the camera. Listen to the music and try and connect your camera movement to the audio. And I promise you, it's really going to help connect the audio to the video. Of course, it's very easy to overdo this. If the entire 3-minute music video is just you shaking the camera around all over the place, then the viewer is going to click away because it's going to be too much for them. So pick the moments in your track where you can do these camera movements, and I promise you, this is really going to help to take your music videos to the next level. So that's the end of the video, but before you click away, if you have any video requests at all, if you want to know how to do a specific technique, understand a specific lighting setup, or whatever it is, if you have a request, then please do let me know in that comment section below, and I promise I will make a video covering that for you as soon as possible. Thank you for your support on this channel. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. See you there.